Hazur, he wants to know that is it right to say or to claim that after the foundation of the fourth school of thoughts, that the Jamaat Ahmadiyya is the first one to open the door for al-ijtihad in Islam?
First of all, his question was slightly off the mark when he also mentioned among Mazahib Araba Shia. Shias are not counted among Mazahib Araba. Shia are a different school of thought completely from the Sunni school of thought. And the Mazahib Araba which you refer to are among the Sunnis, not the Shias. But anyway, they of course require special attention as being a part of Islam. So as a whole the question is right. Ijtihad is always permissible if it is based on the Quran and Sunnah. And throughout the history, al-ijtihad has been continuous. It never stopped. So among the Mazahib Arba, the great leaders of these Mazahib continued to differ with their own masters. And on the basis of some verses of the Quran which came to their notice, or some Hadith which remained unknown to their previous asatiza or the founders of that school of thought. So who says ijtihad was finished or was stopped at any time? Whenever these schools in the beginning gave forth a new movement of thought, all the great asatiza, great leaders who came afterwards began to differ with each other on what Imam Abu Hanifa had said, on what Imam Shafi had said. So what was that? That was ijtihad. So ijtihad never comes to an end. But it must be founded on authority. Al-ijtihad bin nafs is something else. That will never start. We'll do the ijtihad as it should be done. Al-ijtihad means when there is no definite fatwa edict is issued on a certain point, you refer to the sources, valid, authentic sources, and try to draw from that light which will be thrown on that new masala or issue, and you'll be able to resolve it properly in the light of divine guidance before that. This is true al-ijtihad. And this ijtihad, I believe, to a great degree in every period of Islam, Islam, has been continuous. So it will be carried forward by Ahmadiyyas.